Hey guys, my name is Kamil and I'm a part of a 4Hawks team. I'm here with you to show you our new product, designed especially for Mavic and Mavic Air drones, the Hardcase. What's so special about it? Well, first of all, it was designed especially to fit your controller with Raptor SR antenna attached. Second of all, it's extra tough. It's IP67, meaning it's totally dustproof and waterproof. What else? Well, I'm gonna show you later. But now, let's see what we can fit inside. Propellers. The drone itself. One additional battery. Battery charger. Controller. And the antenna. Well, mine isn't attached to the controller, but yours can be. For the first test, I decided to go to the river. I remembered that the case is waterproof, but will it sink? Everything looked so easy that I've decided to raise the bar. It's incredible, the case is intact! After I came back to the office, I took this huge car we had in the parking lot and drove over the case. And now it's time for the final challenge. Let's throw the case out of the window. As you can see, the case is still fine. Nothing is wrong with it. Your drone is perfectly safe with 4Hawks Case.